Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix charger or power issues. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is check the basics. Ensure the charger is plugged in properly to both the laptop and the power outlet. Verify the LED on the charger laptop is lit on the back and try a different wall outlet to rule out circuit issues as well. Many charging problems are just loose connections or faulty outlet. The next is to inspect the charger and cable. Check the charging cable for frizz or bends and inspect the DC connector that plugs into the laptop and ensure it isn't loose or damaged. If possible, test with another compatible Lenovo charger as well, and using a non-genuine charger can prevent charging or damage the battery. You can also perform a hard reset by simply unplugging the charger and holding the power button for 15 to 20 seconds, and then simply remove it and plug in the charger and try turning on the laptop. This can fix temporary firmware or power glitches as well. You can also check battery and charging status by simply pressing the Windows plus I, or simply opening up your start menu and on the search bar typing settings. Then simply head over and select system on the left hand side menu and then select power and battery. And now here, if the battery is detected and the charging status is displayed, and if it says plugged in not charging, then what you can do is update the drivers and BIOS. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.